welcome back to another video. Today we're solving question 292, Nim Game in LeetCode. So let's go ahead and learn and code together. In this question, it says we are playing the following Nim game with your friend. Initially, there is a heap of stones on the table. You and your friend will alternate taking turns, and you go first. On each turn, the person whose turn it is will remove 1 to 3 stones from the heap. The one who removes the last stone is the winner. So in this problem, it's important to understand that we can only remove 1 to 3. So if there is 4 stones, there's always going to be a way for our opponent to win because we are going first. So we can see in this scenario right here, example 1, if we remove 1, our opponent can remove 3. If we remove 2, our opponent can remove 2. If we remove 3, our opponent can just remove 1. And in all cases, they will win. And so this will actually, this pattern can be recreated throughout the whole game. So essentially, we know that if n equals 4 or is divisible by 4, then we will lose if we both play optimally. So with that being said, the solution is super simple, but I do want to make sure that we all understand the reasoning for the solution. So essentially all we need to do is say, hey, is n module 4 not equal to 0? So if it is divisible by 4, then we will return true because that means that we can win. If it is not divisible by 4, that means we will lose if we both play optimally, so we'll return false. So let's go ahead and run this. And then we're going to submit it to make sure it works for all of them. And it does. All right, guys. Short and simple, but it's very important that we know and understand the question on this one. So if you guys learned anything, let me know in the comments. Go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, helps my channel out a ton. I really do appreciate all the support. Other than that, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good one.